Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up the Hot Wheels 2021 B case. I want to give a huge shout out to Trendy County for sending this case over. They ship worldwide, so check them out. In the US, you can get cases from One Stop Diecast and A&J Toys. So let's open this up. There's no ID in this case, but the regular is a Street Wiener, and the Super is a Corvette Grand Sport. The first three cars are the Carbonator, the 80 El Camino, and the Cloak and Dagger. Then we have the RV There Yet, the Bunt of Steel, and the 96 Porsche Carrera. Then we have the HW Warp Speeder, the Toyota Off-Road Truck, and the 68 Mustang from the Tune set. Then we have the Fig Rig, the Hyper Fin, and the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. And then we have the High Roller, the Nash, and the Party Wagon. You've seen this before, but there's different wheels on it. Then we have the Tune Twin Mill, two of those, and the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. This is the regular. Then we have the Toyota Off-Road Truck, the Dodge Van, and the Volvo 850 Estate. Then we have the Rocket Santa Sled, the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, and the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. The Super would be from the last case. Then we have the Carbonator, the Volvo 850 Estate, and the Road Bandit. Getting to the bottom of the first half, we have the Street Wiener, this is the Treasure Hunt. The HW Warp Speeder, and the Poison Arrow. Then we have the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, HW Formula Solar, and the X34 Land Speeder. And the last three cars of the first half are the 32 Ford, the 2020 Jaguar F-Type, and the Quick Bite. First three cars in the next half are the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, the Zombot, and the Aeropod. So then we have the Retroactive, the 96 Porsche Carrera, and the Party Wagon. Then we have another Dodge Van, another 80 El Camino, and an 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. This looks pretty good. Then we have another Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. So 0 for 2. This is the regular. Then we have another 89 Porsche 944 Turbo and the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Then we have the Ryger Motor, and two Land Rover Defender 90s. Then we have the Quad Rod, the Hollinator, and the Mattel Dreammobile. Now in like a teal or cyan color. Then we have the 68 Mustang, the Nash, and the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno. Then we have the T-Rex Destroyer, the Road Bandit, and the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Then we have the Hyperfin, 32 Ford, and the Barbie Dream Camper. Getting to the bottom, we have the Triumph TR6, Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, and the cool combi, the Hello Kitty design. Then we have another 2020 Jaguar F-Type, Tankinator, another Triumph TR6, and then the last cars are the 64 Corvette Stingray, 2 of those, and the TX Destroyer. I did not get the Super in my case, but here's what the Super would look like. So off the bat, everybody can see a difference. The color's a lot different. The wheels are completely different. The rims are fully black. The rims on this is gold. This is a black base, and then this has a fully silver base. Then the cards, basically the same thing, just the color in the wheels. And then you can see this has a white base, the grille, and this has a black grille. And then the TH is on the top. And remember, it doesn't have 25 TH. My favorite cars from this case are the cool combi, which has the Hello Kitty design. Collectors are definitely going to be hoarding this car. The party wagon. This is really cool and was designed by Manson Chung. Then we have the Nash. This won the Hot Wheels Legends Tour, so this is why they made it as a car. The Volvo 850 Estate. Looks pretty cool. In all red and then with the red base. The 2020 Jaguar F-Type. This is a new casting and it looks really good. The 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. Has some pretty cool designs with the 944 and the gold rims. Street Wiener. This is a funny car, and then it's also the treasure hunt. And then the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Even if this wasn't a Super, I'd probably still put this as my favorite cars, because it just looks pretty good. So the 2 cars I'm going to be giving away is the 68 Mustang and the Nash.
In order to be entered for the giveaway, 1. Like and subscribe. Only verified subscribers will be able to win. 2. Comment below I love Hot Wheels. And 3. Forward this video to 2 people.
Hey guys, I've also been getting some weird issues with YouTube comments where it keeps turning them off. So if it's turned off when you look at the video, just come back in a little bit and it should be turned on. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite cars are out of this 2021 B case.